What's up, everybody? DeAngelo here, and this video is gonna be on what sold over the last week or whenever last time I made one of these videos here. We actually just got another lot of video games too, so I'm about to get ready and actually ship those off to Amazon in the morning. So I wanted to show you guys, what we got, stuff like that. Also, these are the stats we got so far. So our today we are at $230 and 11 units sold. For the last 30 days, we're at $5,559 and 261 units sold. So not bad at all. Finally starting to get back up there into the 200 plus range. We're actually kind of stuck in the 1 to 200 range or whatnot for a little bit there for a couple of days because the worst part about buying lots is that you have to wait so long to get them. So like it might take them 3-4 days to ship it out, and then actually like the shipping process might take 3, 4, 5, 7 days. Sometimes it depends on what type of priority mail you have. And then once you get it, then you have to send it to Amazon, which is another 3 or 4 days or whatever for your products to get there. And then especially if you're doing it on the weekend, it could be 4 or 5 days after everything's all said and done. So yeah, that's the downfall about it. But I mean, once you start getting them in like clockwork, then it starts, going pretty well. So I got one yesterday, got one today, got one tomorrow, got a bunch of them coming next week. So that's a good thing, once you get it down, you pretty much got it down and whatnot. So this is the lot we got. As you guys can see, we got a whole bunch of video games here, and the best part about, the video games that they're super light. It might literally cost like $6 to send this entire box of video games out. I also got some Xbox games on the table. Got some more games over there on the table. I got this little car snap thing to send in. I got a DS to send in. I got a 3DS to send in. I got a few PSPs to send in. Like we absolutely just going all in on the video game niche. Like I'm absolutely loving it. And then the stuff sells like that. Let's go over here to the sales. All right, so if you guys remember this Dance Central video game, I showed you guys when I got this here, and I think that was literally like a couple of days ago or last week or something like that, and the game already sold, and I bought that entire lot for $10. So that game right there already made me my money back, and the other three games or whatnot, still hasn't even sold yet. So I'm telling you guys, the video game niche is absolutely amazing, and then where is it? So there was look at this game right here, right? So that's this pets game or whatnot. I literally have more of those to send in right here, right? So you see this game? That's literally the same game that just sold for $27, and we picking them up for like $3, right? And I got a couple of those in here, and that's not the first time that game sold for me. So I'm telling you guys, video games are absolutely amazing, when it comes to this here, And then again, haven't had any returns, no complaints. Every little review I get has been great when it comes to the video games, all 5 stars. I'm telling you guys, video games are absolutely amazing. And, that's pretty much it. Oh, this bag right here, this sold too. I picked that up from the Goodwill for like, I think that was like $7.99 or $8.99 or something like that. I picked it up for like $10 and it sold for 50. Like, and I just sent that in too like a few days ago. I didn't even think that was gonna sell. Like I was the only person selling that bag. And I only had one, but and then there was no one selling it new either. So I just everyone was selling it for like, I think it was like people selling it for like $9, $10, $15. Like fuck, let me just see what happened. I put it up there for $49.99, brand new, and it sold. So that was pretty cool. But yeah, that is pretty much it. Again, if you want to learn how to sell the video games and all that stuff, gotta be a Landshark member. That is $4.97 for the time being. It will be closing soon. Everything's manual right now because I'm still getting the LLC and all that stuff set up for all of that, so I can go through the business merchant and all that. So right now everything's manual, so you can just hit me up and wire or like a VMO or whatever. But yeah, like I said, guys, very simple stuff here. And again, I'm not accepting like once I get like a certain amount of people, I'm pretty much just gonna close it out because I mean the way I'm doing this is that like literally I'm going to tell you guys exactly where I got the games from. I'm going to tell you, how to do all this stuff, like everything, like that I'm doing right now. So literally, I get nothing out of this deal other than a couple $100, which again, I could just buy these games right here. I could spend $100 on a box like this and make, $700-800. So like, I'm losing no matter what. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, only accepting a very few people or whatnot. Again, I want to really focus on them to get like a little focus group, get them some results, stuff like that. Who knows? Might open it up again in the future. Like I said, really don't want to make the same mistake I did with. If you're a veteran on the channel, you remember the baby diapers campaign. I literally lost millions of dollars doing that. I was so fucking stupid for giving that campaign away. That was so stupid. But I mean, it is what it is. Live and learn. Won't be making that mistake again. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Don't forget to like, subscribe. If you got any questions, simply drop them down below. Also, you will need at least, you need 5 for the course. And if you don't have your printer and all that stuff, like if you're a new person, expect to have a minimum of $1,000, because obviously you got to buy your lots. Then you got to have like all of that stuff coming in. Then you just have $1,000 if you are going to try and hit me up for this course.